Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a bookshelf around a door. And I have already prepared for the floor object with a rectangle, and then I would like to start to making a wall for the first with any thickness, something like this, and then you have to push it up around 3000 millimeter, yes, something like this, and then you can make a door for the first. You can make a door with any size. Maybe you can use a standard door size with this size, and then you can push it back until it would be a door opening. Then, and after that you have to make shelf. You have to make shelf with a rectangle anyway. Then you can push it to the front with maybe it's around 40 millimeter approximately. Then you can adjust the length with select this object and just press pull, something like this. Then you can make a bottom shelf for this area. Maybe you can use this. Then you can push, you can move it to the bottom for the first, and you can you can push it down anyway, and you can push it down around with 20 millimeter, right? And then just make it group, and after that you can make it component and just create it, and then you can move it down with the distance, with any distance as you want, and then you can press for slash, then it would be automatically arrangement. And after that you can make a door RC drive with a line and just follow the perimeter of the door. Then you can offset it on outside around 100 millimeter. Then you can complete the basic pattern of the door RC drive with a line. Then you can move it to the, push it to the front and just make it group. And you can also make offset inside to make a more aesthetic profile of the door anyway. So and after that you can make range of a book by push it up. Maybe you can by push it up, you can just make it group and just move to the left and just adjust for the size with the scale, and then you can duplicate it again and just you can use a scale, duplicate, then you can repeat this object, just x6 anyway. Then you can adjust the color with a random color, and so it will look the so you will look the various of the book color. It will make more representative. Then you can duplicate it to another position anyway. You can duplicate to another position, so it will make more realistic presentation. So it would make more realistic anyway. You can adjust with you can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and you can adjust the book size, and you can adjust the book size manually. Then you can move and press control of it, so it will look like more representative. So you have to make another material, so you have to assign another material of this bookshelf on door perimeter, or you can make different color of the door, so it look more representative and interesting. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you get a lot of benefit from this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you.